Right now, in kitchens all across the country, millions of us are peeling raw mangoes to make a summer cooler. But we are actually unaware that we are throwing the actual superfood into the trash. It is important to note how often we do that out of pure habit. And here is what I have to say. Stop throwing away the mango peel. It is far more valuable than you think. Welcome to Munch and Mull Desi Wellness. Today my mission is to empower you to unlock the health benefits of raw mango, the mango peel. All of us want to keep our family cool, hydrated and deeply nourished. And raw mangoes are an important summer survival food. Mother Nature provides them right when the heat peaks for a very specific reason. They are incredibly effective at preventing heat strokes and replenishing those essential vitamins and minerals that we lose through sweating all day long. But here is where many of us miss a nutrition boosting opportunity. Our instinct is to immediately peel the raw mango and toss those raw mangoes into a pressure cooker or boil them. We do this to soften them up and make them easier to work with. Nutritionally speaking, this conventional habit is actually a big mistake. Think of heat as a molecular wrecking ball. Raw mangoes are high in nutrients like vitamin C. Incidentally, vitamin C is crucial for immunity, but it also acts as a chemical key. It basically helps convert plant-based iron from your diet into a form your body can actually absorb. However, vitamin C is highly volatile. When you expose it to boiling water or steam pressure, the thermal energy literally breaks apart the delicate chemical bonds of the vitamin. By boiling the mango, we might be creating a tasty base for a drink like aam panna, but we have essentially destroyed one of its functional health benefits. You lose the antioxidants and those really delicate vitamins that are sensitive to heat. To actually use the raw mango as a better protective shield against the summer heat, you need the raw power of the fruit, undiluted and unbroken by the stove. Even if we are eating the mango raw, our very first reflex is to grab the peeler. Cucumbers, carrots and potatoes, we just peel them out of habit, and we do just the same with raw mango. I dare say, peeling is perhaps the single biggest nutrient wasting habit in the kitchen. If we take raw mango as an example, the green peel of the raw mango contains significantly more dietary fiber than the pulp inside. For anyone dealing with digestive issues, that fiber is essential for relieving constipation. But the real loss of discarding the raw mango peel is an incredibly potent compound called mangiferin. It is a highly potent antioxidant that is heavily concentrated in the skin. Plants produce their strongest chemical defenses in their outer layers to survive the elements, meaning the skin is basically its armor. So, mangiferin is one of mango's defense systems, and in the human body, it actually has scientifically backed anti-aging and anti-diabetic properties. You might wonder if the nutritional payoff of this mangiferin is really worth chewing through a thick green rind. It really is, especially when you understand what it does at a cellular level. Research shows that mangiferin actually has potent anti-cancer properties. When our cells are stressed, they can mutate and proliferate dangerously. Phytochemicals like mangiferin actively seek out harmful free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage our DNA, and neutralizes them. Essentially, it can help stop the uncontrolled proliferation of cancer cells. So, by peeling the raw mango, we are literally physically cutting away a cellular defense mechanism and just tossing it into the garbage bin. But how do we actually consume a raw mango peel without turning on the stove to soften it and without trying to chew it through a super tough skin? The easiest workaround is simply grating it. If you grate the raw mango with its green skin perfectly intact, the tough texture just vanishes into thin shreds. You wouldn't even notice the skin. You capture the fiber, the mangiferin, the vitamin C, literally everything truly valuable, exactly as nature packaged it. This is such a simple shift, but it really changes how we look at meal prep. It makes you wonder. Think about your kitchen right now. What other fruit and vegetable peels are you casually tossing away that could secretly be boosting your family's daily wellness? We often view food scraps as waste when they are actually functional medicine. By the way, today's incredible insights about raw mango peels come from my previous video that features 3 zero cooking raw mango recipes. Yes, zero cooking, so that you keep all those nutrients completely intact. I highly encourage you to check the linked video in the description to get the exact method of those recipes. You can implement them right away to keep everyone cool and nourished. This is just the beginning. Want more inspiration? Watch our series on vegetable and fruit peels. Discover ideas for never throwing them away. We energetically invite you to follow, subscribe and comment on the Munch and Mull channel. If this video was inspiring, do like the video and share it with your family and friends so that it will be a helpful tool in their way to wellness. And next time you pick up that peeler, maybe you should just put it right back down. I will see you soon in another video of Desi Wellness. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.